Okay, lift the tank up. So yeah. Okay, lift the tank up. I know that this is from 2006. 2006. So here we go. There is 2006, 11, 16, maybe. You see the date that well. Here's the fill well. That's the flapper. Screw you, Glacier Carrier.